Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss option selling. Let's get started with the NSE website, which is like the official website. So we are going to do comparison for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Okay, let me take the charts in TradingView website. So I'm keeping side by side where we can see OI versus the price action. So today it was a very good close. As you could see, it's been profit booking day, and then after touching 23,000, which is a very strong support, Nifty is finally got 700 points up. Okay, got it 700 points up. Let me take 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here clearly first half it was turning, second half it was sideways. So our focus is just today. So this is the last week. Now you could see it's in the retracement phase and now trying to break the structure here. So slowly trying to have the uptrend. Okay, now when you check for today's open, 9:15 candle, so 600 is the open. So let's take 600 here. Okay, so let me draw the line. So this is basically 600, guys. So this is CE, which acts as resistance. Price action will go down. This is PE, which acts as support, and prices will go up from that strike. Okay, so this is basically the OTM and ITM for CE and PE respectively. Now this is our open ATM. Okay, which is very crucial, and this is today's chart. So see, first half was taking resistance and then it was sideways. So clearly here support is very strong and resistance is weak. Okay, so from seller's perspective, since resistance is weak and today it's day 1 of the third week expiry, before expiry, let me write that. So the decay is not up to the mark. Since the support is strong, the decay is very beautiful here, positive in ITM and OTM. Here it is negative. Okay, so overall sellers are winning even in straddle or strangle. Okay, so you can check for both. Let's move on to Bank Nifty, the same pattern. So Bank Nifty, when you check for open, Bank Nifty is pretty solid. 9:15 candle, when you check open was 54,900. Okay, so here you could see the similar pattern. Strong support, support is positive decay, weak resistance, resistance side CE, it is negative. Okay, so now we'll move on. Price action we'll study later. We'll try to get into the option chain. So let me take Nifty first. So this is Nifty Trader website where option chain is pretty much reliable. Okay, so here our focus is OTM. So you could clearly say this is today's data and this is weekly data. So this is the new build up. Okay, 3 and 3. So OTM looks sideways, but today you could see 189 and 142. So equal build up in both sides. So this is how the build up looks. Okay, for 24th, this is going to be the monthly expiry as well, and IV is still lingering in the 19th. So sellers, be careful, because IV is definitely not for sellers. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty. You could clearly see the put side, put writing is good, call buying is happening. When you check for Finnifty, call buying, and yeah, it's balanced for Finnifty. The buildup is not looking that much promising. Midcap Nifty, a little bit of profit booking in the call side, and put side, put writing is there. Okay, so these are the stats. So pretty much I have covered everything, guys. So we'll go to the straddle section. Okay, so let me start with Nifty and then we'll keep the count 100. Okay, so this is basically the chart we'll take 1 minute chart in each conditions so that we can observe what has happened here. See, okay, so our interested part is this. So you could clearly see where the support is happening initially. So you can clearly see in the bearish straddle the decay was instant. Okay, though at 9:15 the candle it just, so let me take here 20 points from 6 to 16, so 20 points it just went up and then started the fall. The same is observed here. Okay, so when you check for this 26 and 50, so it's also 20 points. 20 points long straddle paper are easily getting. Okay, and the ATM strike, when you check, so ATM strike it's good. Okay, so from 39 just it went to 54. Okay, almost 20 points in just how many minutes? Okay, in first 5 minutes. So first 5 minutes long straddle people were winning for Nifty. Okay, let's move on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also I will take comparison 100 points from ATM. Okay, so now here Bank Nifty has a different story to tell. So initially it was showing decay, and then here also initially the decay is happening, and for the strike 400 initial the decay is happening. Okay, so you could clearly see Bank Nifty is not as much supportive as Nifty. The last one is Sensex. So Sensex tomorrow is going to have the expiry, and today it was a blast open. So today markets were very promising. So you could clearly see in the Sensex also, since the IV is favorable, market is little bit at the ATM price favoring to the buyers long straddle side. Okay, from 84 to 846. That's a huge jump in Sensex. So that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.